Hello everyone. Hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 3 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is the division fluency. And here are the list of the lesson which is division facts for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Division facts 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10 true or false. Division fact for 6, 7, 8, and 9. Division facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9 true or false. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using the email and passwords. And here are the list of the lesson which is I was just checking my mic. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using your email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. Select maths from the subject tab and then scroll down to the grade 3, view all chapters. So here are the list of the chapters and we are on the third chapter, that is the division fluency. And now let's get start. Now here are the list of the lessons. So let's start the first one. Grade 3, view all chapters. So here are the list of the chapters that we are. So here there are some questions like that. 8 divided by 4. Here we are dividing facts for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Okay. So how can we divide? Let's do it. I'm going to write it here some questions, then we start solving one by one. Okay. So the 8 that is divided by 4. And then let's see some another. For example, I'm going to use the numbers which is 10 divided by 5. Okay, now let's do it. So here, now you guys tell me what is the answer of this one. You're going to put 8 is inside of that, 4 is outside of that. So 4 time which number closer to 8? Let's write it here, the table of 4. 4 time 1 is 4. 4 time 2 is 8. So here when we see the table, so this is 4 time 2 is 8. And now we are going to subtract 8 minus 8, that is 0. So what is the answer? Which is 2. Here we are subtracting. Okay. Now let's start the next, which is, let me just do it, 10 divided by 5. So I'm going to put 10 is inside of that, 5 is outside. So now here write down the table of 5, which is 5 times 1 is 5, then 5 times 2 is 10. So here is 5 times 2 is 10. Now what we do, we're going to subtract, and here the answer is 0. So this is 0, remainder is 0 from that. So that answer is 2. Okay. Now let's start some another. Let's take another some numbers. I'm going to use it here some other numbers. 18 divided by 3, then 32 divided by 4. Okay. Now let's do it. I'm going to put it here 18 inside of that and 3 is outside. Let's write the table of 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. And now 3 times 6 is 18. When there is some number are here, so you're gonna write down the table. Okay, in this way it is easy for you to finding it. Now 3 times which number is 18? 3 times 6 is 18. Now subtracting 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 6. Okay. Now let me just write it 32 and then 4. So putting 32 inside, 4 is outside. Let's write the table of 4. Let me just write it here. So 4 times 1 is 4, then 8, 12, then 16, 4 times 7 is 28, 4 times 8 is 32, 4 times 8 is 32. Now we're going to subtract 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 8. So the answer is 8. In this way we are going to solve it. Now let's do some test questions. 20 divided by 4. Let's do it, okay? So here I'm going to write it 20 divided by 4. So let's put the 20 inside of that. 4 is outside. Let's do the table of 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Then 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. So 4 times 5 is 20. Now subtract, that is nothing. So what is the answer? Which is 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. Okay. Now let's check an answer here. 4 times 5 is 20. Let's see the option, and this is the right answer. Okay, now I'm going to, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. 12 divided by 4. Look at here, already table of 4 is written here. Now you guys tell me the answer of 12 divided by 4. Just putting 12 inside, 4 outside. Now what is the answer of this one? Everyone tell me the answer. Now everyone just tell me the answer of that. So 4 time, look at here, 3 is 12 and 0. So the answer is 3. Let's see, is there any answer 3? Yeah, that is here. And this is the right answer. Okay. So hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So solve the rest of the test questions regarding this lesson by yourself now. Okay. Now let's see. What is this here? What the boy? Wait, let me just share my screen again, okay? So I'm going to share the screen again.